Hello, I'm Katie with WTI, and let me share this amazing, and I mean amazing, espresso machine. This is the Bambino Plus espresso machine from Breville. So one thing that is so great about this model is that it has a small footprint. So unlike other machines, it doesn't take up a lot of space. This has been great when I have limited counter space, and I really recommend it for those who live in an apartment, for instance, and you don't have a lot of counter space. Also, if you prefer, it also has an automatic milk frother, which can really come in handy. It also heats up super quick. Within a few seconds of turning it on, it's ready to go. I really recommend this as that all-in-one espresso machine. It's all you need. So now you know, try it for yourself. And that is my point of view.